My life has been full of plots and twists. I'm in a relationship. It's not like that I'm gonna get famous overnight. If your ex watched this, freedom. The hardest part of content creation in a relationship, I'll never compromise. Blah blah blah. My favorite place. I don't want to be in a relationship. At what time you should leave the house. Hello guys, welcome to my channel or welcome back to my channel, The Plot Twist Girl. So today we will be doing question and answers with the Plot Twist Girl. So let's get started. So our first question is, why YouTube? So why YouTube? Because as I've said in the first video itself, that my life has been full of plots and twists. So I just realized that I should document every plots and twist of my life. So yeah, I'm just doing this on YouTube. It's not like that I'm gonna get famous overnight, but I just love to document my life, whether I'm traveling, whether I'm having fun, whether I'm doing something, whatever it is. I just love to document myself. I just love to record myself. And Instagram is of short moments, I feel, and YouTube gives me that access to put my story on on the channel. So yeah, it's just that. So let's move on to the second question, that is the hardest part of content creation. Okay, so let's keep it simple. The hardest part of content creation is being consistent. If you're consistent, you will get the results, and if you're not consistent, you won't get the results. So yeah, being consistent is the hardest part of content creation. So yeah, let's move on to the third question, and the third question is the most asked question on my question and answer. So, are you single? Guys, please. So, okay, I'm in a relationship. I'm in a relationship with my YouTube and my camera and my academics, guys. So, yeah, basically, I'm in a relationship. So, yeah, let's move on to the next question. Bro, okay. Okay, the next question is, if your ex क्या होता है भाई? If your ex watched this, what would you say? I don't know. I don't want to say anything to him actually, but thank you for giving me the watch time. Yeah, but I don't need it. So क्या मजबूरी है भाई कि तुमको मेरा YouTube वीडियो देखना पड़ रहा है? गाली दी भाई उसने. ठीक है, never mind. So yeah, thank you.
2,000 years later.
Okay, let's move on to the next question. So the next question is, what's one thing that you will never compromise in a relationship? Okay, what's one thing that I'll never compromise on? Freedom. In a relationship, I'll never compromise on freedom. I know most of the people say, respect, efforts, care, or whatever it is, but I'll say freedom because I don't think someone has that right to, tell us what to wear, what not to wear, where to go, what to do, when to do. You should not post this, you should not post that. You should first ask me before wearing this. You should ask me before leaving the house and blah, 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 blah. Bro, like, I mean, care is a different thing. I feel care is a different thing and control is a different thing. That's what I feel. So yeah, I mean, I don't like it when they say that you don't do this, you don't do that. Hey, pati nahi ho tum. Okay. And I don't want to be in a relationship where, I have to ask, am I looking good? Is this okay? Can I wear this? Oh my god. I'm scared that I don't fall in this trap or anything. I don't know what to say, bro. But oh my god, मुझे नहीं आना इस ऐसे रिलेशनशिप में कभी भी. एंड क्या ही बोलूँ अब मैं इसके बारे में, और मतलब बहुत है बोलने के लिए, बट लाइक I have compromised on this, and I am an experienced person. Like when someone tells you what to wear, what to do, where to go, at what time you should leave the house. So I have experienced this, and I just hate it. And मेरे को नहीं अब जाना ऐसे रिलेशनशिप में जहाँ पे मेरे को ये सब करना पड़ रहा है. सो या दैट्स इट. आई फील नम हो जाती हूँ भाई ऐसा सवाल आ जाता है तो. ओके, लेट्स मूव ऑन टू द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. दैट इज, एवर फ्लर्टेड विथ समवन वाइल इन अ रिलेशनशिप? नेवर. No, 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 no. I've never done that. I don't think so. No, never. Okay, next question. Beaches or mountains? I think ये बात सबको पता है. Everyone knows this, that I'm a beach person. It's not like that I don't love mountains. I also love mountains, but I'm a crazy fan of beach. So yeah, I love beaches. I feel मेरा फर्स्ट पोस्ट भी बीच का ही था. आई फील लाइक मोस्ट ऑफ द इंस्टाग्राम पोस्ट ऑफ माइन आर ऑफ बीचेस ओनली, एंड आई लव बीचेस. या, आई लव वाटर, आई लव बीचेस. आई मीन I just love it, bro. I just love beach places. Okay, next question. Favorite place you have visited? Okay, favorite place that I've visited. In India, my favorite place is Udaipur. Like, I just love Udaipur. The peace that place has, the city of lakes, that palace. I just love that place, Udaipur. And out of country, I would say Dubai. I love Dubai. I love वहाँ का ऑरा ही मुझे बहुत पसंद है दुबई का. रियली नाइस. या, आई हैव ऑल्सो विजिटेड थाईलैंड. थाईलैंड इज ऑल्सो अ नाइस प्लेस, बट आई लव दुबई अ लॉट. इफ यू नो, यू नो. Okay, next question. Few close friends or big group? Few close friends. I love my friends a lot. मतलब I just love my close friends a lot, and I can count them. इतने ही है भाई मेरे. So yeah, my close friends. ये कैसा सवाल है? नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. वन थिंग यू स्टिल फ्रॉम. I didn't get this question. Okay, let's move on to next question. What motivates you when you feel like giving up? Okay, again, let's keep this easy. One thing that motivates me when I feel like giving up is my dream. जो भी मेरा ड्रीम है. मतलब whenever I feel like giving up now, my wallpaper is about my dream, my goals. So yeah, I just look at it and I'm just like, no bro, you can't give up. Like, I tell myself that you see yourself over there in the upcoming years, so I don't give up. ऐसा थॉट भी, एक सेकंड का थॉट भी आएगा ना मेरे दिमाग में कि you just give up bro. I'm like, no bro, sorry, I can't give up. Okay, what's your biggest regret? What's my biggest regret? I don't regret things, guys. Please note that down. I don't regret. Never. I never regret anything. Like, yeah, I just don't regret anything. Next question. Oh, one lesson life has taught you. One lesson that life has taught me is to let go. Like, literally, let go. Whatever happens, just let go. You just can't, sit and cry. Oh, मेरे साथ ही क्यों हुआ, यही क्यों हुआ, ऐसा क्यों नहीं हुआ, वैसा क्यों हुआ. Bro, just let go. Like, there is something more special for you. So yeah, just let go. This thing as life has taught me a lot. Dream destination and future plans. मैं क्या इन्फ्लुएंसर हूँ भाई? इतनी भी बड़ी इन्फ्लुएंसर नहीं हूँ कि आप लोग मुझसे ये सवाल पूछ रहे हैं. Okay, but my dream destination is Santorini, Greece. I love Greece. मेरे को जाना है Greece. I mean, yeah, Greece is one of my dream destination. And और क्या है, मतलब I hope that I'll visit Greece soon. Maybe this year or maybe next year or maybe I don't know. But yeah, I hope and I feel like I'll be visiting Greece soon. So yeah, and future plans. Future plans. क्या ही है future plans? Future plan is going abroad study के लिए. So yeah, this is my future plan. मैं बताऊंगी तो नहीं, बहुत लोग नज़र लगाते हैं भाई. मैं बताऊंगी नहीं. एक सवाल है जो यहाँ पे है, बट क्या है वो? Okay, next question. One thing you still have not healed from. Okay, one thing that I have not healed from is my cat's sudden death. Whoever knows Angel, my cat, I love you, I miss you. So I have not healed from, her. Like, I just miss her a lot and it was very sudden. And I just couldn't process that she's no longer with us. It was very difficult for my mama to, process it because she was very close to it and she was literally like an angel for us. Like, yeah, so I miss her a lot and that's only the one thing that I have not healed from yet. And I'll never will. I don't think so I'll ever heal from that, that whole scenario, or I'll never heal from her. Never. My family also won't ever heal from that scene, from her. So yeah, I just miss her. I love you, Angel. Lots of love. Okay, I feel so that's it. कैसे इन्फ्लुएंसर जैसे सवाल पूछे आप लोगों ने मुझसे. So yeah, I mean, thank you for the questions and I hope you loved it. So see you soon. If you want more of this, comment down with your questions and yeah, follow. क्या होता है वो? नहीं, subscribe, like, share, subscribe, guys. Sorry. Okay, love you guys. Stay safe, stay healthy. Bye bye.